Hello, my name is Sabrina and I will be showing you how to make decals for your ceramic pieces. First, I want you to make an 8.5 by 11 document in Adobe Illustrator. Next, I would like you to find some simple shapes on the internet and copy and paste them into your document. You don't have to worry about having a different color background, but this is just for me to show you and it's easier to understand what I'm doing. Once that is all set up, I'd like you to select your picture. So I'm going to select the Idaho first, and I want you to click Image Trace, and then after that, click Expand. After it is expanded, I'd like you to right-click and click Ungroup. This will help you manipulate your piece later on. Now that we have ungrouped our piece, you can click on one of the white pieces and you can click Delete, and then you can click on this piece, Delete, and Delete. So you don't have any edges on your piece. We're going to do the same thing to the heart. So Image Trace, Expand, right-click, Ungroup, and we're going to get rid of all that space. Now, click on your heart, hit Shift on your keyboard, and drag your piece up. It'll help keep it from losing its shape. Now, we want to take this heart, and since we are in Moscow, we'll put it right up here, and we can always resize it again. It doesn't have to be exactly on there, so we'll just call that good for now. Now that that is there, you will want to click and drag. That'll help select this piece. And now we will group everything together. That will help keep everything on the same page and we're not moving pieces together. So we'll click off, and now you can drag it around as one cohesive piece. Now you can do the same thing. Hold your Shift key down so it doesn't stretch or get all discombobulated, and you can resize it depending on how big or small your ceramic piece is. We'll get rid of this blue, and you can make many different sizes. Decal paper is kind of expensive, so we would like to get as many pieces on here as possible. Okay, so I went ahead and got everything resized and put on the paper the way I want it. So now that you're done, please send them to me in an email, and I will get your pieces printed off so that the next class period we will do a decal demo where I show you how to put the decals on your pieces and explain to you all the different processes. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask or email me. I'll see you later.